Today, ngayon, we gonna cook something in our breakfast. So
Yeah.
what's that?
That
My
is
dear?
extra hot chili one, and I will tell you the noodles. என்னன்னு காமிக்கிறேன் பாருங்க. இது வந்து Philippines noodles, Pancit Canton. Oh, when
Yeah.
I'm showing in the camera, you can't able to see the name properly.
Can.
Pancit Canton. This is
Just
extra hot chili.
so
ரொம்ப காரமா இருக்கும். So,
Ba.
so we will mix some vegetable and then we will try to do how, and I will try also, and சாப்பிட்டு பார்த்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னு நான் சொல்கிறேன். ஓகேங்களா? Okay guys.
This one just is fried. Rambo. Good boy. This one I already cut. So this one, it's oil, soy sauce, and and some. Excuse me. Again, olive oil. I think this one. So I'm gonna put, and then this one.
But we have only the masala only. The
Huh?
noodles for us.
Masala.
There.
Yeah, in India is they have, of course, if masala, of course, mostly Indian, if the one Indian will eat, the one they like also, because this is the way, just the way you practice. So like this also in Philippines is the way we practice. So we are different style. So okay, one you don't need to cook, right? If you want to eat this. But actually this one nice. Spicy.
Spring onion.
No, I don't know. This big, ouch. The small only I will use. Not the
No,
big.
this one they used to tell spring onion.
Huh? Is it? So I will use only this one. That's all. The rest we will cook some another dish. Okay?
Once you cut, show me near. Fresh.
Yeah, you can hear that one. Like this. The crunchy, see? You can hear, right? Then just say, oh, makes me cry. Oh, this one. Hey, Muni. So this one,
See,
mix.
I can smell it.
Oh, still hot.
Sorry.
And this one. Then after that, finish with it.
Hello guys, இன்னைக்கு ஒரு புது டிஷ், அதாவது நூடுல்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ரைஸ். Okay, we are going to make it. We are going to try that one and I will share with you also. That one is spicy, கொஞ்சம் காரமாக இருக்கும். Okay, focus here, Rosie. இதுதான் நூடுல்ஸ். இந்த நூடுல்ஸ் வந்து இந்த Pancit Canton சொல்லி முதல்ல காமிச்சிருப்பேன். கொஞ்சம் காரமாக இருக்கும், லிட்டில் பட் ஹார்ட், not little bit, too much hot, and mix with some spring onion, and that's all. And this is cabbage. Okay, so it's not a cabbage like it is a Chinese cabbage. It's a long one, iceberg, like they used to tell. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ இது வந்து ஜஸ்ட் வேக வச்சு just boil and then mix with some chili and also small prawns and garlic. We mix this one. Okay, see here how it is. It's very fresh. Too much. Okay, I'm going to use the hand only. Yes, mostly we use hand only in India. Okay. My hands are shivering because too much hot also. Okay.
This one, the spring onion you take.
Spring onion, little bit. Okay. Later I will take for the taste. Enough. Actually, we used to break the noodles and they cook. Here they are using for. Okay, this one I will use. Chili, little bit only, enough. Put, yeah. Okay. Just taste.
And then?
And then this is a bagoon. Here in Ilakano, they have always this dish. What is this? This bagoon mixed with vinegar. Okay, bagoon is what is salty fish sauce. Okay, and also some vinegar. They mix on every dish they have. Okay, I will taste. See the noodles. It's hot. I can feel that soy, right? That brown color, that one. Soy and some oil. Very little bit spicy, but I like spicy, so I don't feel too much spicy. And I mix with this cabbage. Okay, iceberg with rice. See here. It's not too much overcooked, right? A little bit only. And it's crunchy and I can feel the taste of the iceberg. It's very fresh. See here. Still the smoke is coming. And a little bit prawns. You can see my hand. It's stuck. And this is almost time and we have to eat, and the time is also
9.
9 o'clock.
Break lunch.
So I have to finish up and she's also hungry. Okay guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment and share, and God bless everyone. Bye.
Bye.